Some things in life you can't leave to chance. The roof over your family is one of them. At Colossus Construction, we know what it means to protect what matters most. That's why, since 2019, we've built our reputation one roof at a time, one project at a time, one family at a time, across all of Tampa Bay. We are a team of professionals specializing in residential and commercial roofing. We install, repair, and replace roofs using the best materials on the market: architectural shingles, metal, tile, TPO, and flat roofing systems for every type of property. Every job we sign carries our guarantee. Every client we serve receives honesty, punctuality, and real results. We are not the cheapest contractor. We are the contractor you can trust. Colossus Construction Inc., licensed and insured in the state of Florida. Over 1,000 roofs installed, more than 6 years of experience, hundreds of satisfied clients across Tampa Bay. Our mission is simple: to protect your home or business with the quality and professionalism you deserve. Call us today. The estimate is free, the response is immediate, and the results speak for themselves. Colossus Construction. Your roof, our responsibility.